Hi friends, this is Melissa and what's your name?
Kensington.
Kensington, and we are going to teach you how to make cold brew coffee today. As a mom, I need a lot of coffee to get through the day. So yeah, and cold brew is great because you can make it at home instead of going out to buy it at one of the stores. So making it at home is easy and it'll save you some money in the long run. So it takes about 12 hours. You will need coarsely ground coffee beans. Either do that at home or the store you buy it at can do it for you. And then in about 12 hours, after being mixed with water and sitting in the refrigerator or on the counter, you can filter out the coffee beans. And this video will show you how. Cold brew, it has less acidity than regular coffee, hot brew coffee. And even though it's wildly popular in the United States, cold brew coffee, I found out, originated in Japan in the 1600s. Imagine that. So anyway, hopefully this will inspire you to make your own at home. Very easy, I promise you.
So if you promise to make it easy, to show up and let us know.
Okay, that sounds good. All right. And as always, enjoy.
Enjoy.